Jen, mag-review ta sa tong quiz B ug mapon ha. Sige. AC ni. How many milk teeth how many milk teeth do we have? How many teeth? 20 or 36?
1, 2, 3,
Dili, 20 or 26? Pili lang ana.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Duhan man, duha ra man ang choice. 20 o 36?
20.
20. Very good. Number 2. What is the fastest animal in the world? Giraffe o cheetah?
Sita.
Wow. Ayaw binuang answer ang makadungog si mama. Number 3. How many adult bones we have in human body? 206 or 602?
206.
Wow! Correct! What animal does beef come? Sheep o cow?
Togo.
Wow! Grabe ka. Very good, bay. How many days we have in a week? 7 or 13?
7.
Wow! 7. Very good. What is the biggest animal in the world? Blue whale o elephant?
Gorilla.
Wow! Grabe. Uy! All the animals need food, air, and to survive. Chocolate or water?
Water.
Wow! Number 8. What is the biggest flower in the world? Rafflesia or rose?
Rafflesia.
Wow! Pagkita ka magbasa. Tubag na yun. What is the name of the planet we live? Mars or Earth? Asa ta nag-live? Sa Mars o Earth? Tarong nga. Tarong nga ba? Earth. Very good. Mag-atubang ka diri mag-answer. Kaya ron nakabalo si mama. Makadungog. Earth. What is the smallest animal in the world? Hummingbird o
Hummingbird.
Wow, very good. Grabe, very good Jedrick bay. What do you call the biggest star? Pluto o Sun?
Pluto.
No, dili oy. Pluto or Sun? What do you call the biggest star? Okay, Sun. Taro nga dong pag-answer dong kay ayaw magbinuang. What the planet is known as the red planet? Tama diba? What planet is known as the red planet? Mars or Mercury?
Mars.
Wow, very good. How many planets are there in the system? 10 or 8? Letter E or 8? Tarong. Pila ka buksa kuan ba? What is the name of How many planets are there in the solar? 8. Kana ba? Very good. What is the name of second largest planet in the solar system? Pluto o Saturn?
Saturn.
Wow, grabe. Which part of the bird lit in the fly in the sky? Wings or feet? Wow. Which part of your body that pump blood? Ang feet ba o ang heart?
Heart, boy, heart.
Wow. What do you call the longest bone in your body? Femur or ligaments? Femur or ligaments? Taro nga.
Finger.
Wow, grabe. Why? What do you call the air that we breathe? Kung sa'yo man atong ginawa, oxygen or water?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Grabe, why? How many legs does a spider have? 10 or 8? 8. Grabe. What is a baby frog called? Tadpole o puppy? Tadpole. Wow. Grabe. Perfect. Yay! Perfect, Jedrick. Quiz B nila og mama. Wala siya wrong, mama. Perfect.
Perfect tanan.
Perfect daw tanan, ma. Dahil happy na si mama. Kay ngano, bisag kape si mama sa work. Happy din siya kay perfect man ugma.